Hi everyone, this is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a company called Quince and also Italic. If you've never heard of Quince or Italic before, both of these companies sell luxury items at a really affordable price. They basically cut out the middleman so they sell directly to you. And some of the factories that produce things for both Quince and Italic also make things for some of the most luxurious brands out there today. So I recently placed an order with both of these companies and let's unbox it together. We'll go ahead and start with Quince because I didn't order too much from them and it came in a little bag. The Italic order is a little bit larger because I ordered shoes and it comes in this huge box. So let's go ahead and open Quince together. There's no branding on the front of this bag. There was a tiny little rip happened during transit, but I don't think anything inside was damaged. All right. The first item that I ordered is a baby alpaca wool cropped cardigan, and this comes in a cream or ivory color, and the price for this cardigan was $59. Okay, so it's very lightweight and it's really soft. There are 3 buttons on the front and there's tags here. So Quince, everything about this feels right. Quality, price, sustainability. Alpacas prefer dry clean. Okay, so this is a dry clean only top. The next item that I'm going to open is a Mongolian Shrunken Cashmere sweatshirt. I wonder why they call it a sweatshirt. Ooh, I'm loving this color. And I got both of these in size large. I think they will fit quite nicely. Just a very simple cashmere sweatshirt at a really affordable price. The next item is a SuperSoft fleece pants, and I paid $34.90. This is very lightweight, but it's really soft. There are definitely pockets on the front here. Let's go ahead and try this on. I think it's going to be a little bit too short on me, but that's okay. I also got a matching sweatshirt. Well, they call it a fleece crew. And the price for this was $29, but I got a $5 discount for some reason. I don't remember why. So this definitely looks a little bit wide. Hopefully it's not going to be too short, and there are no pockets here. But I thought that this is like a nice matching set that I can wear for traveling on a plane and stuff. And then the last item that I got to make myself feel better, I got something for my husband. So this is a Mongolian cashmere crewneck sweater, the same one as the pink one that I got, but this is for men. This is the color burgundy and size large. The price for this one was also $59.90. Ooh, this is a really nice wine color. Let's go ahead and take a look at Quince's website because they do have a lot of other categories that I didn't order anything from, but I do want to let you know what they have. Wow, they have a lot of stuff. So under apparel, they have tops and blouses, dresses and skirts, sweaters, activewear, jackets and outerwear, bottoms, loungewear, sweatshirts and sweatpants, silk pajamas, tees, and then under accessories, they have bags and leather goods, fine jewelry, hats, scarves and gloves, socks, and gift cards. And then under men, they have sweaters, activewear, jackets and outerwear, shirts and polos, loungewear, pants and shorts, sweatshirts and sweatpants, and also tees. And then under accessories for men, they have socks, they have hats and scarves, leather goods, and also of course gift cards. And then they also have a home section. So right now they have rugs, they have decorative pillow covers, tabletop stuff, luxe sheets and bedding, silk accessories, cashmere accessories, and also baby and kids. With Quince, there is no yearly membership. You just go onto their website and purchase things as you would any other website. They have a 365-day return policy, and they also offer free shipping. So I'm just gonna hop onto the listing for this sweater that I got, the Mongolian cashmere crewneck sweater. It says $50. Traditional retail for something like this will be $120. This comes in a lot of other colors as well. And then they have a little chart down below. Quince price is $50. Everlane, this would have been $120, and J. Crew, it also would have been $120. I do have a referral code for Quince. If you want to give them a try, you can take $10 off your order by using my link below. Okay, so that was Quince. Let's go ahead and unbox Italic next. When I placed an order with them, they were giving me like a free trial. They normally have a membership fee, but since my order arrived, they actually changed things around a little bit on their website. If you want to shop on Italic, you can shop on it anytime, but they do have what's called an Italic Bold membership. You can pay $60 a year, and there are a lot of perks that come with this membership. You actually get $120 back in Italic credit. I don't think you can get $120 altogether. I think they give you $30 off at a time to kind of like entice you to go back to their website and keep purchasing. Aside from Italic credit, you also get invited to exclusive events, and also you get $5 per product review. I was trying to research this company as I placed my order, and it seemed like it kept changing, like their membership fee kept jumping around. So this is the current membership. As I'm filming this, I'm sure they'll probably change again. Okay, so I have my order history pulled up. Let's go ahead and dive into my order with Italic. As I mentioned, it came in this huge box. When you open it, there's a tissue paper on top that has their name, Italic. First item that I ordered is a terry zip-up jacket, and something interesting about their poly bags, it's actually a Ziploc bag, so maybe you can reuse this if you want. Although there's already some holes in it, so I don't know if I'm going to be reusing it. I guess if you're returning it, you can put it back in there. Wow, this is so soft and looks like a big teddy bear. So this is a teddy zip-up jacket. This comes in 2 colors, in black and also light camel, and I ordered the light camel. Ooh, so this style has definitely been in for the last, I don't know, maybe 2 years or so. I bought a cheap one off of Amazon, and after I washed it, it just looks really gross. So I wanted to get a new one that's much better quality, and this is actually a lot thicker too. So there are zipped pockets on 2 sides and also a pocket here on your chest, and this is really thick. Wow, it's lined on the inside. There's some, I don't know, I think this is maybe like a stretchy cotton material on the inside, but this feels so warm. So Italic uses factories that also produce or have produced for other companies. So for this jacket, past clients of this factory used to be Aloe Yoga, Paul Smith, and VILEBREQUIN, I can't pronounce that. And then I also bought 2 tank tops. These tank tops, I bought it in white and black because you can never go wrong with basic tank tops, and I feel like I need to refresh my tank tops. So this top is called Second Skin Tank, and it says $18, same manufacturer as COS, and also Armani. This is a size large. Wow, it must be really stretchy. It looks like a small. And I also got it in black. I feel like the quality is very nice. It doesn't feel like something that you would get at like Forever 21 or Zara. It definitely feels high quality, and it's got a nice stretch to it. So let's see how it fits. The last clothing item that I got, I also got these for my husband because I felt bad spending money on myself without getting anything for him. I got him a pair of shorts. So this is heavyweight sweatshorts, and the cost for this was $35. Wow, this feels really nice. I know these are sweatshorts, but the material feels like you can probably make a nice blazer out of this material, like one of those like sweatshirt blazer things. So there's a pocket on the back, drawstring on the front, and then 2 pockets on the side. And the factory that makes these also has made things for KITH, Stussy, and Rip and Dip. I have never heard of these brands before, but must be luxurious brands. And then the last 2 items that I got for myself are shoes, because you'll see in a second. I got 2 pairs of shoes. These are like non-UGG shoes. This is the first one, and on the box it says made for Italic. These are what they look like. Whoa. Wow, these are UGG shoes. They were a lot more affordable than UGG shoes. These are the mid-calf shearling lined boot in chestnut, and these were only $50. UGG shoes are like, I don't know, 100 something. Oh wow, it's made at the same factory that also makes things for UGG. That's really interesting. Okay, so a little bit about the factory that makes these. These boots, slippers, and shoes were made for walking. With more than 10 years crafting some of the most well-known shearling shoes, this large-scale manufacturer specializes in comfort, quality, and durability. So this factory has made shoes for UGG, for Timberland, and also Prada. Very last item in the box. Oh, I didn't even see this. It came with a little pull tab thing. So I also got the same shoes in black, but with a lower ankle. These are black. As you can see, and it's a little bit lower. It hits you at the ankle instead of like at the calf. I paid $45 for these. I just thought that like these are such a good deal. We're going to be going to Finland again soon, and I needed some new winter boots. So I'm really curious to try these on. I'm curious to see how they fit and how they hold up. Now let's take a quick look at Italic. I've mentioned a little bit about their membership program, but I did also want to go into some of their other categories as well, just like I did with Quince. So under the women's section, they have clothing, which includes activewear, coats and jackets, lingerie, sleep and lounge, pants, shorts, sweaters, sweatshirts and sweatpants, tops, tees, and blouses. And under women's shoes, they have boots, they have flats, they have loafers and slip-ons, they have pumps, sandals, slippers, and sneakers. Under women's accessories, they have belts, gloves, hats, scarves and wraps, socks, sunglasses, umbrellas, and wallets. Under bags, they have backpacks, clutches, satchels, and crossbody bags, and totes. And then under jewelry, they have bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and rings. Just reading from the women's section alone, I feel like Italic has a lot more options than Quince, but they obviously offer different things. And then under men's clothing, they have activewear, coats and jackets, pants, shorts, sleep and lounge, sweaters, sweatshirts and hoodies, swim, tees, underwear, and socks. And then under men's shoes, they have loafers and slip-ons, they have slippers and sneakers. Under men's accessories, they have belts, gloves, hats, scarves, sunglasses, umbrellas, wallets, and watch accessories. And then under backpacks and bags, they have backpacks and then also laptop bags and briefcases. So that's a lot of things for men. They also have home products. Oh my goodness. Bear with me, guys. So under home, they have bedding. They have blankets and throws, comforters, duvet covers, pillows, and sheets. Under bath, they have bath linens. Under kitchen, they have cookware. Under office, they have office chairs. Wow. Okay. They also have stuff for pets. All right, now beauty. They have some skincare stuff, it looks like. Under sports, they have strength training stuff, yoga and Pilates, and in outdoors, they have camp and hike. They have cycle, and they have ski and snowboard stuff too. And then last category, they have travel. They have accessories for traveling. I feel like both of these companies will continue to add things onto their website. It also says request a product. If you don't see what you're looking for, all you have to do is ask. We'll do our best to track down your request. That's interesting. I wonder if anyone's really done that before. Okay guys, so that was unboxing Italic versus Quince. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to give both of these companies a try, I do have referral codes down below and you can save some money. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.